is Dr. Mel Irvine. I'm a provider located here in Southwest Florida. Today I want to give you a little snippet on testosterone replacement therapy in men. This is essential, and at some point most men are going to need to consider their options for this. At about the age of 30 or 40, testosterone levels begin to decline about 1% a year for men. However, we're seeing low testosterone levels even in younger men in their 20s. This may be due to our diets here in the United States, the chemicals and hormone disruptors that we're being exposed to, and the lack of nutrition in our food that we have. Men will have various symptoms as their testosterone levels begin to decline, and it can be anything from decreased libido, decreased energy, fatigue, anxiety, depression, weight gain, or as guys like to say, they can't put any muscle on at the gym, which is the same thing as weight gain. Mood changes. Being irritable, guys, is the same thing as being bitchy. You go through the same changes women will. Concentration deficits, brain fog, you just can't think straight. Sleep disturbances, night sweats, and erection changes. These are all symptoms that can vary from man to man, and testosterone is essential for you. You know, it affects everything: skin, hair, nails, bone, memory, mood, concentration, again, your anxiety and depression levels, how you feel, and it's important for your quality of life. You know, we understand now that hormones are essential for both men and women, and there are risks when the levels are too low or too high. So there's a balance. We want to keep you in good, healthy, safe, normal ranges and what's normal for you. You know, I know everyone is reluctant to consider these therapies because they think, oh God, this is aging, and they don't want to do it, they're denying it, but we have the ability to address those deficiencies today, and we should, so that we can maintain the quality of life for both men and women. If you're considering hormone replacement therapy, just find yourself a good provider who will monitor you carefully and responsibly, and if you have any questions or would like to establish care with our clinic, our phone number is 239-351-5663. You can subscribe to and like my YouTube video at Dr. Mel Irvine, and visit our website at www.sexties.com. Thank you for listening.